Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Geometry Dash on your PS Vita. While this popular rhythm-based platformer isn't officially released for the console, there are ways to enjoy it through community efforts. We'll cover the necessary steps to get your Vita ready and where to find a compatible version of the game. It involves a few technical steps, but it's achievable for many users. The first crucial step is preparing your PS Vita by installing custom firmware. This process, often called modding, allows your console to run applications not approved by Sony. You'll typically start by ensuring your Vita has the most recent official system software, then proceed with a custom firmware installation. This opens up a world of possibilities for your handheld device. Once your Vita is ready with custom firmware, the next step is finding a compatible version of Geometry Dash. You'll need to look for a community-made port, often found on homebrew platforms such as VitaDB. These versions are specifically adapted to run on the Vita's unique architecture. Remember to always prioritize downloading from well-known and trusted community sources to ensure safety and functionality. After downloading the game port, you'll transfer the files to your PS Vita, typically using a USB connection or FTP client. Then, using a homebrew file manager on your Vita, you'll install the game package. Once installed, Geometry Dash will appear on your live area, ready to play. You can then jump, fly, and flip your way through hundreds of levels, enjoying the game on your portable console.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.